We thought we were monsoon is here, and what better place than Malshes Ghat to visit. So we packed our bags to start the 151 kilometers journey to see this.
What I want, you got, and it might be hard to handle, but like a flame that burns a candle, the candle feeds the flame. Yeah, yeah, what I got, full stock of thoughts and dreams to scatter, and you pull them all together, and I.
वाटते तर मी घेतलं तेवढं डाग राहिले दाखवायला पण नाही जमणार कोणता व्हिडिओ ड्रीम तुला आवडते ती आवडते काय
On a night when bad dreams become a screamer, when the messing with the dreamer, I can laugh it in the face, twist and shout my way out and wrap yourself around me.
As we were approaching towards Malshes Ghat, we never expected this.
What I want, you got, and it might be hard to handle, but like a flame that burns a candle, the candle feeds the flame.
दरवाजा भाई आई काज में फुटेगा फुटला आई जी म्हटले करत